Hello everyone. As we move into the new year, technology is continuing to grow and evolve. Smart gadgets are some of the most exciting and useful items to have in your home or office. They can make life easier, save you time, and provide you with a greater level of convenience. Today, I'd like to share with you the 5 best smart gadgets you can buy this year. From voice-activated speakers to automated cleaning devices, these gadgets will make your life easier and more efficient. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 5. Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Switch. The Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Switch is an innovative and powerful tool for any smart home. This device is able to be used with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, and it can be controlled via the Smart Life mobile app. It is able to be used with and without a neutral wire, and it is available in 1, 2, and 3 gang configurations. Number 4. Automatic Soap Dispenser 300 milliliters. The Automatic Soap Dispenser 300 milliliters USB chargeable smartphone machine touchless LED display sensor foam soap dispenser hand sanitizer is a great addition to any home or public restroom. With its wall-mounted design, it adds convenience and style to any space and takes up minimal space. It features infrared induction bubble, providing a quick and touchless foaming experience. Its dense foam is created with the perfect ratio of foaming liquid and gas, making it a more delicate and soft foam. The built-in battery and Type-C interface charging combined with ultra-low power consumption design make the dispenser last longer and eliminates the potential safety hazard of DC power supply leakage. This automatic soap dispenser is an easy and stylish way to keep your hands clean and germ-free. Number 3. Insmart Body Digital Scale Weight. The Insmart Body Digital Scale Weight Scale Smart Balance Bioimpedance Body Fat Floor Bathroom Scales BMI Body Composition Analyzer is an excellent tool for tracking body composition and health data. It is equipped with an LCD large display screen for easy interaction with users and can read 8 data on the body fat scale, such as weight, body balance, body fat, BMI, body water, muscle mass, heart rate, and bone mass. Furthermore, it supports 22 languages and can add up to 24 users. Overall, this is an excellent tool for tracking body composition and health data. Number 2. Smart Touchless Kitchen Faucet. The Smart Touchless Kitchen Faucet brush pull-out infrared sensor faucet's black or nickel infrared water mixer taps is an amazing faucet that makes kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. It comes with a touchless infrared sensor that automatically turns the water on and off, giving you a hands-free experience. The black and nickel finish looks great and gives the kitchen a modern look. The installation is quick and easy, and it is compatible with most standard sinks. Overall, this is a great faucet that I would highly recommend. Number 1. Original Xiaomi Smart 3D Face Recognition Door Lock 1S. The original Xiaomi Smart 3D Face Recognition Door Lock 1S is an amazing lock that offers a range of features for added convenience and security. The full automatic intelligent lock body and 3D structured light 1-second face recognition make unlocking easy and secure. It has a wide range of recognition from 1.3 meter to 2 meter, big enough for children to easily access. It also has Bluetooth gateway and multiple unlocking methods: face recognition, fingerprint unlocking, long-term password, temporary password, Bluetooth unlocking, emergency key. Plus, the power supply mode supports dry battery and Type-C emergency power supply for extra long endurance. Overall, this is a great option for those looking for a secure and convenient door lock.